I've been practicing personal injury law for the last 10 years. We specialize in automobile accidents, medical malpractice, wrongful death claims, product liability, premises liability, and slip and fall cases.
Every time I have a friend that has a problem where they're medically injured, I try to refer them to Jamie. I mean, she can't handle all of them, but I tell her, hey, you want a good lawyer? Go see Jamie Ellen. It's worth your time to go see her. And I mean, I can't say enough good things about her. I'm just glad I met her. I really am.
I've always been interested in personal injury law because I've been extremely athletic. I knew that I wanted to help people who are injured or hurt through no fault of their own, and I love the fact that I'm able to look at the medical records and try to help them physically get back into shape and recover from their accident. I've always been extremely competitive. I grew up, I played almost every sport you could think of. I also played competitive college basketball. So when I look or I take on any case, I always try to win. I don't stop until I do. Or I'm just extremely competitive. I don't stop until I get every dollar from my clients.
I don't know, that I feel almost like she's family, even though we're not family. I just told her, little boy, please bring them to me to babysit if they want to go out. So you do have that kind of family feeling from her.
The cases I like to work on most are where I feel that I could help the individual, especially when the insurance company is denying their claim. When there was a 12-year-old little boy named Kevin who was riding his bicycle home from school and he was hit by a pickup truck. The insurance company tried to deny that claim, and I fought as hard as I could, and I did the best for their family. It took several years, but we were able to get them to provide compensation to Kevin. I know that to my clients, their case is the only case that matters, and that specialized, personalized attention means everything. Trust is everything when it comes to hiring an attorney. You have to have an attorney that's honest with you. And I think they appreciate that in the long run, because I set their expectations, and most of the time I exceed them.
Because she is the person, to take care of you, because she's not only to that to get money and stuff like that. She's the one, attention-wise, she's always there. She's always calling you, returning the phone calls, She's very, very good.
I spent the first 6 years of my career working in law firms that represented the insurance companies. So I learned how they operated and what they do and how they evaluate cases. So I use all that knowledge that I learned in the insurance defense firms to prepare my clients for what they're going to encounter every step of the way. If the insurance company is not willing to make a fair and reasonable offer, I'm willing to take the case to court. The insurance companies know which attorneys are willing to file lawsuits and go to trial, and it often results in higher compensation for our clients. When we are preparing and evaluating cases, we take our time. We're not like other firms that just try to churn and burn the cases, which means that they just try to turn it and make a quick recovery, get a quick compensation or a quick settlement. We really wait and make sure that our clients get the treatment that they need and that they deserve. I really do take the time to try to get to know my clients on an emotional level as well. I ask about their family, their children, because accidents don't only affect the individual that I'm representing, but also every aspect of their lives.
It's really nice when you experience a traumatic incident like I did to deal with a professional such as Jamie, because she knows exactly what she's doing and she knows how to do it.
If you call me and ask me what's going on in your case, I will know what's going on in your case, and I will be able to return your call and tell you every little detail of your file. I know what it's like to live with an accident victim. My husband was T-boned by a roofing truck in an intersection collision. He couldn't sit, stand, or walk for 3 months. When you retain Florida Injury Law Group, I am your attorney. I am the only attorney in this firm. I handle every single case that comes in through this door. I do have members of my staff and my team. We have a great team that supports me, but I will be your attorney.